Theo, I think I can probably handle this main gun pickaxe. You want to take the other two?
Yeah.
Alright, you see that big pillar back there?
Yeah.
Meet back there. Meet back there.
Okay.
Alright, I'll see you, dude.
Like I said, low on supplies. I'll get yours.
Whoa, 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 whoa!
Oh, why did you have to do that? I wanted that totem.
What am I gonna do?